Alright, advanced tapping. So, got the slide on the first new thing. So, this is what it sounds like. Page number 2. Alright, still doing a slide, so we just want to make sure I remember what it wrote. Going up 17, and back to, alright, here we go. Optional. Okay, yep, now we are adding additional fingers here. So these are going to be very difficult to mute the unwanted strings. That's where I mentioned having that string dampener. And I also see that on bar number 4, I must have gotten distracted or something. I don't know what the heck happened, but the portion where it has the longer amount of notes. So you got the tap 13, basically starting on note number 4 in the last bar. You're supposed to have a tap over the 15 and the 13. And it's also supposed to have a repeat bar at the end of it. So I shall play it the way it's supposed to go. Hopefully this makes sense. So yeah, you got when the 12 and 13, you're going to use your middle and third finger, and then for the 13, 15, use your pinky and the middle, and just do the best you can with muting. You will have to kind of change how your hand is angled, or your wrist is angled, in order to properly get these notes to ring. Here goes something. See, I'm having to put my thumb over the whole thing to really mute it. Let's do this one again. I'll try and do a cleaner job. And then that harmonic thing, that's right. You are just going to tap an octave higher than what it is. So let's say you're on 7th fret on the D string. You'll tap 19 on the same string, so just add 12 to it. So one way you could practice it is just like run up and down a scale. I like doing a bend there. Or you can do a bend first, and then tap the harmonic like that. there's supposed to be other places where it sounds good. Let's experiment. So let's see, because you're supposed to be able to play harmonics 5, 7, and 12, right? God, those are terrible. I guess having them all ring out together with distortion on makes it sound too great. So anyway, yeah, you got the 5th fret harmonic, 7th fret, and the 12th fret that have the harmonics sounding their best. So let's experiment with this. So let's add 5. Let's see. So if I'm holding the 5th fret on the G string. Let's see. Will playing the 10th fret sound good? It does sound pretty good. Works. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. That'd be a cool experiment we could try out together next class. If you tap 5 frets higher, 7 frets higher, or 12 frets higher, then you'll produce a harmonic. That's cool. Let's see. How would that sound if I, let's see, I'm going to start this here. Whoops. Alright. That's fucking cool. Have fun with that. So 5, 7, and 12 frets higher, tap harmonic. And I think the technical term is harp harmonic. I just call it a tap harmonic because you're tapping, but I think harp harmonic is the appropriate term. So yeah, let me know if you got any questions, and watch for those ties on the rhythm stuff. I think that was the biggest thing. Alright, see you next class.